Well, like most people at this time, because of the virus, I'm stuck at home. So I'm just practicing a few of my not very great skills. Because I can't go out and buy any new locks, everywhere is closed, I'm going to revisit some of the old locks which I have in my collection. This one is a Chinese-made shackle lock, padlock if you like to call it, Baoli. It's very heavy, solid brass. Let's have a go. I've seen people pick this before, or similar ones. Let's try this rake for a start. If I can even get it into the keyway. Oh! Amazingly quick, much faster than I thought. Still got a bit of skill there.